Welcome everyone, my name is Nanika. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me. So today makeup look is gonna be pink glitter look. So for that I am first priming my face using DIY primer plus setting spray. I made a video on this, you can get the link in the description box. Next I am using a moisturizer from Biotique and then a lip balm from Maybelline. Then I am priming my face using dewy primer from Wet n Wild, and then for foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using these two shades and mix it and dot that to my face, and then using a finger to spread it, and then using a brush and buff the foundation. It will give me more coverage. Please try this technique, you can see the difference. Now taking the beauty blender and absorbing the excess foundation on my face. Now for concealing my dark circle, I am taking Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown, and to set that I am using a Lakme Rose powder in the shade Soft Pink and using a beauty blender to set it. Now to cover all my acne marks, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and mainly focusing on the areas where I have acne marks, and leave that for a minute. Till then I will complete my eyebrows. After that I will dab all the concealer, and you can see it will give me full coverage and it hides my pigmentations well. And then I am using that same concealer and highlight my main points of my face, and then using a brush and then setting it with same Lakme Rose powder in all those areas where I applied the concealer. Till then I am going to do my eyes. For that I am taking Sivana Ultra Blush palette. So I am taking the pink color and putting it up to my crease. Now taking Maybelline the Rock Nudes palette, I am taking the glitter pink color from it and going to stamp it using a flat shader brush all over my eyelid. Then I am taking the Faces Kajal and taglining my upper and lower waterline. I post videos so frequently, then please watch all my videos, and if you like it, please make sure to comment on my channel. Now taking the black shade from the same palette, I am going to smudge my lower lash line, connecting up to the corners of my eyes, and now I am dusting all the excess powder from my face. And taking the bronzer shade and bronzing my face and my nose. For nose I always use a flat shader brush. This will give me more precise application, and then dusting off it. Now I am taking the highlighter and highlighting my inner corners, bridge of the nose, cheek, cupid's bow and my face. First I am using a brush and then I am using a finger or a beauty blender to dab it, so it will look all meshed up on my skin and not look powdery. Now taking the bronzer, and I will be using a flat shader brush to buff it under my lower lash line. Now I am wearing my earrings. Now next I am curling my eyelashes, and for mascara I am going to use Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. It makes a lot more difference by adding mascara to your eyes. Now here I am having two lip options. One is LED Nude Fix and next is pink lipstick from Orange Something site. So I am using the nude lipstick and then applying blush on my cheeks at last. And that's how I finish my whole look. If you like this look, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and if you like, it will give me more motivation to make such videos. Thank you for watching.